Hello, my name is Blake Kusri, and this is my resource use project. The three categories I decided to make changes to in my lifestyle in order to benefit the environment were electricity use, water use, and eating habits. On Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I decided to go pescatarian because my normal diet usually consists of a lot of pork, this being bacon for breakfast, carnitas nachos for dinner, carnitas tacos for lunch, and just a lot of pork in general. So I substituted all that pork in my diet for fish tacos and shrimp tacos that I got from local food trucks in Chico. When I was at school, I snacked on Bumblebee tuna salad kits with crackers. This made for like a very good substitute that was just as tasty personally, I feel like. So here's water use of pork versus fish. Pork takes about 718 gallons of water to produce 1 pound of pork. This could vary from about 718 gallons to 756 gallons. But as you can see on the right image, pork takes much more water versus fish, which is why going pescatarian is the better option. The amount of water I saved this week was 1,512 gallons. I got this by multiplying the amount of pounds of pork I usually eat per week, which is 2 pounds, by 756 gallons of water, which is how much it takes to produce 1 pound of pork. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I took shorter showers. I usually take about 15-minute showers. I switched that time to 5 minutes in order to reduce my water usage. So here's how much water I normally use versus how much water I saved. A standard shower head flow rate is about 2.5 gallons per minute. So if I multiply 2.5 gallons per minute by my normal shower time of 15 minutes, I get 37.5 gallons. And if I take 3 of these showers per week, I use about 112.5 gallons of water per week. With my new shower time being 5 minutes, I multiply 5 minutes times 2.5 gallons per minute, and I get 12.5 gallons. Multiplied by the 3 days I did for this project, which gets me 37.5 gallons of water I used by reducing my shower time to 5 minutes. So if I subtract my normal water usage with my 15-minute showers of 112.5 gallons minus my new shower time of 5 minutes being 37.5 gallons, I saved 75 gallons of water this week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I reduced my electricity consumption. I decided to pick these days because I was already at school for a majority of the time these days. So before I left for school, I made sure to turn off all the lights in my apartment and more specifically in my room. I also took cold showers because hot showers take a lot of electricity to make the water hot. And when I was not using my laptop for work, I left it unplugged, even when it was fully charged, so I'm not using any extra electricity. So the biggest change I made for these 3 days were I left my TV unplugged and I did not watch any TV on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. So my standard television runs on about 400 watts of electricity. So if I want to convert that to kilowatts, I divide it by 1,000 watts and I get 0.4 kilowatts. And if I watch TV for 6 hours a day, which I normally do, and I multiply 0.4 kilowatts times 6 hours per day, I get 2.4 kilowatt hours. And if I multiply that by 0.4688 pounds of CO2 per kilowatt hour, I'm emitting about 1.13 pounds of CO2 per day just by watching TV. If I do this for 3 days, I'm emitting about 3.39 pounds of CO2. So by not watching TV for these 3 days, I did not emit 3.39 pounds of CO2 into the atmosphere. And overall, my impressions of this project were that it was very hard at times to take cold showers. And I just had to go feet first into this project and not look back because it was very rough at times when I was taking cold showers. But my favorite part of the project and something I would continue doing would be going pescatarian, because if you could save that much water just by making a little change to your diet, why not do it? Thank you.